Hi all, in this video I am showing you how to clean a top loading washing machine. Since washing machine is cleaning all the clothes and also we are putting kitchen towels and floor mats which are greasy and dirty in it. It needs cleaning too. By cleaning it, it also eliminates bad odor. So this is the way I clean the washer. At least we need to do this technique 6 months once. This is the technique I follow for a top load washer. For this machine, I have kept the super load, that means full length, and also temperature on a high heat. And I am going to set the full load like a longest cycle. So I am just turning on because I want to get the hot water. So in that hot water, I am going to add some bleach in that. 1 cup of bleach I am going to add it. I'm checking the temperature, how hot it is, and adding 1 cup of bleach here, and afterwards agitate it for 1 minute. So it is going to turn it inside. So now it is looking like this because of the bleach. So I am leaving it like this for 1 hour so that it will get disinfected. Afterwards I am running the full cycle. Then I am going to wipe it off with a wipe, Clorox wipe. So inside it and everywhere wherever I find the dust, and so this is how I cleaned it. And afterwards I am going to use the baking soda and the vinegar to with the help of these two together I am going to run one more cycle. In this here also for the I am setting the same cycle, longest cycle, along with hot water. Now I am adding the baking soda and the vinegar. I am going to run it for a full cycle. So this is how I cleaned my washer. Afterwards it is looking clean.
Mommy, I think there's